Welcome to Lexicon's IQuiz channel. Are you ready to check your observation skills? Try to guess all the animals in the optical illusions. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started off easy level. Can you spot the animal on this tropical? Monkey. Look closely at this street. An animal hides within. Can you spot?
Cat.
Look closely at these mountain ranges. Can you guess which animal is hiding among? It's a panda. Look closely at these house ranges. Can you guess which animal is hiding? It's a cow.
Keep eye on this forest. Can you guess, identify the hidden animal? It's a giraffe. Take a look at this visual art and spot the hidden. Ostrich.
Look closely at these island ranges. Can you guess which animal is hiding? It's a starfish. What about this flower meadow? Try to guess who's camouflaged within.
Butterfly. Hills, another optical illusion. Try to guess the animal here. Kangaroo. Take a look at this visual art and spot the hidden. It's a bee. Let's start it with medium level. Moving on to this autumnal scene, who's camouflaged with the otter. Take a close look at this dense forest and try to guess which animal concealed within. Tiger. Behold this serene view. Which animal is disguised? Dolphin. Can you guess the animal camouflaged among these planters? It's a swan. This endless forest conceal an animal. Can you tell which? It's a snail. Can you guess the hidden animal in the river? It's a rhino. Somewhere amid this snow-covered scenery lies a hidden animal. Can you find it? Crocodile. Can you spot the hidden animal in this tropical island? It's a horse. How about these beautiful sun rays? Who are they? It's a wolf. Who might be hiding in this magical nighttime cityscape? Whale. Let's start with hard level. Green expanses, but an animal is hidden somewhere. Can you find it?
It's a dog.
Within this cloudy sky, can you discern the concealed animal? Elephant. Which animal hides among these vast mountain ranges? It's a lion. Try to find the concealed animal within this mesmerizing starry night.
Cheetah.
Can you spot the animal hiding in this endless green field? It's a fox. Who might be hiding among this winter sunrise scenery? It's a squirrel. A bit look at this vast desert. Who do you see here?
Camel.
Take a look at this spring garden. Which animal is hiding here?
Deer.
Look at this charming nighttime cityscape. Which animal is camouflaged here? It's a rabbit. This digital artwork is a feast for the eyes, but there's also a hidden animal. Can you find it? Zebra.